Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to find Woot coupon code on your PC. You can find Woot coupon code through various of websites like CouponFollow, Groupon and many more. I am going to use CouponFollow. To do that, open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.couponfollow.com, then press on enter. With that, you will be taken to official website of CouponFollow. Now here you can see search for a store bar on the top. Click on search for a store and type in Woot. Then click on the Woot option. With that, here you can see various of coupon codes and cashback offers. Now look for the coupon code that you want to use. Then click on the option of show coupon code. Now here you can see the coupon code. You can copy the coupon code by clicking on copy. With that, you can also redeem the code by clicking on redeem at Woot. It will directly take you to the Woot official website, and here you can look for the products and redeem your coupon code. This is how we can find Woot coupon code. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.